Hi. It's a question of CAT 2020 slot 2. It's a wonderful question based on the concept of what? Modulus as well as quadratic equation. Now look at the terms here. In how many ways can a pair of integers x comma a be chosen so that x square minus twice of mod x plus mod of a minus 2 is equal to 0? I can say that this term will always be positive. Similarly, this will always be positive. Now let's try to write it like this. Mod x whole square minus twice of mod x plus there's one more term that is mod of a minus 2. Now if you compare it with this identity x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. In that case it becomes x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. What I want to say, if this term is not equal to 1, it will be more than 1. In that case, x square minus 2x plus 4 or plus 5 or plus 6 will never become equal to 0. This term will only become equal to 0 when this constant term mod of a minus 2 will be equal to 1. Otherwise, it will exceed 0 because you'll get a perfect square here plus something more. Let's say this is more than 1. Let's say it's 5. So how do we write this? Mod x square minus twice of mod x plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. In that case, what you're going to get here? X minus 1 whole square plus 4. Now look at this, this will never become equal to 0. So what I want to say, this term is either equal to 1 or less than that. Now let's see what if this term is equal to 1. Case number 1. Let's say x square. I'll write it as mod x square minus twice of mod x plus mod of a minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's take it equal to 1. So in that case, what do we get? X mod x square minus twice of mod x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means effectively you'll get x mod x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. When mod of a minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's see both the condition will satisfy when. Now mod of a minus 2 is 0. That means a is either equal to what? It's either equal to 2. Is there any other value which will satisfy it? No. This mod of a minus 2 will be equal to 0 when, sorry, this must be equal to 1. I made a mistake here. Assume that this is equal to 1. Now, mod of a minus 2 will be equal to 1 when a is either equal to 3 or a is equal to how much? 1. In both the conditions, this mod will become equal to 1. And what about the value of x? Mod of x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That means mod of x is equal to 1. Now mod of x will be equal to 1 when x becomes what? Plus 1 or when x becomes minus 1. So how many pairs you are going to get here? x1, a3 or a1. Next time x minus 1 and a3 or a1. So I get 4 pairs. Is there any other case which will make this expression equal to 0? Yes or no? Let's assume that mod of a minus 2 is equal to 0. If it's equal to 0, what do we get? X square minus twice of mod x will be equal to 0. That means x square is equal to twice of mod x. X square is equal to twice of mod x. How many values we are going to get here? Let's see. X square might is equal to twice of mod x. Now when you put x equal to 2 here, it will satisfy the condition. Even when you put x equal to minus 2, it will satisfy the condition. Yes or no? What else? Is there any other value which will satisfy this inequality? Yes. X equal to 0 will also satisfy. And all these three values will satisfy when this mod of a minus 2 becomes 0. That means when a is equal to 2, you can put either x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 0. That means you get three more pairs. These four plus these three. That makes what? 7. So the correct answer will be D.